Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin. Today we have another watch unboxing. Got this used a little while ago, but there's a watch in here I think will compare pretty nicely to the ARC that I have in on loan, the CWC. Actually, I think this watch is from CWC, and it's a field watch. I kind of don't exactly remember what is in here. So, yep, okay. CWC, and this is a quartz watch as well. So let's take a look at it. Yeah, got everything out of there. So anyway, let's we'll stay zoomed out for a minute. So yeah, let's take a look. So cardboard sleeve, cardboard box. Yeah, cool. It's another nice small field watch. I'm thinking it's 36. I don't exactly remember. It's been a little while since I picked this up. Just set it off to the side. So yeah, I'm looking forward to spending some time with this watch. Do a comparison with the other one before I need to send it back. But yeah, nice little lightweight quartz field watch here. So this doesn't even have spring bars, it just has the lug bars here. So you're pretty much limited to a NATO strap or a single piece strap. A little thing for the battery there. Kind of reminds me of the older, well, Timex still does this, but reminds me of the Timex watches. Say Cabot or Cabot, I don't know. Cabot Watch Company, CWC. Water resistant to 50 meter. And that would be, I think the British use that for their military watches. All right, very cool. Looking forward to spending some time with this. I'll put it back on the strap and get it on wrist. So this isn't a NATO. This would be, I think they call this a Zulu strap, just a single pass strap. Should be pretty much bulletproof with those lug bars there. It's not going to be coming off wrist. Not sure how they do that. You see a little bit of that bar there. And over there, I'm assuming they must just press it in. Interesting. All right, let's get this on wrist. This thing is small. Wow. Come on. I think maybe I should put this over there, but I don't know. It'll be good enough for a wrist shot. Yeah, this thing is tiny. Huh. I don't know that was... All right, and then we'll zoom out here for a minute, and then we'll close out the video. Sorry about whatever mess is going to be in the background here. There we go. Yeah, this thing is really lightweight. I hardly even realize I have it on wrist. So, all right, that will conclude today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time, and I'll catch you on the next one.